Hello, I am Dr. K.S. Moinuddin, consultant general physician in Lotus Hospital. Coming to dietary therapy for diabetes mellitus. So, in diabetes mellitus, most important is diet. In diabetes mellitus, especially type 2 diabetes mellitus or type 1 also, the thing is we have to take small multiple meals. Like usually we take three large meals. You have to take five small multiple meals in diabetes mellitus. That is, for example, we have prescribed for the oral hypoglycemic or insulin. In the morning, you can have some breakfast like idli, dosa, whatever you are taking regularly, especially because you are South Indian. I'm telling you all these things. So, if we have to avoid maida made items in the tiffins, especially puri, samosa, all these things should be avoided. Then you have to take very little quantity of tiffin. So don't take heavy meal. So try to take a limited quantity of tiffin, like two idli or three idli and one or two dosas, smaller dosas, and two cups of 1.5 cups or like that of upma. Like that you have to take. Preferably upma made with wheat rava is preferable, or you can have jawar upma also. That is one option. So after you take the drug and after you take breakfast, after a time of 1.5 hour to 2 hours, you should have some small meal again. That is, you can have some type of fruit, especially the fruits that can be taken is you can have one orange or one mosambi and half apple, or you can have kira, and you can have small sandwich, especially wheat bread sandwich, whole wheat bread sandwich. Like that, you can have. All these things are not available. You can have marigold biscuits also. That is also preferable. So after this, again by 1 o'clock, you should have. If you are on insulin, you can take insulin and go for lunch. Otherwise, you can have tablet go for lunch. Otherwise, you can go directly for the lunch by 1 o'clock. In lunch, especially if you are very fond of having rice, especially white rice, you can take rice. But the quantity of rice, whatever you are taking previously, you have to decrease the quantity of rice. For example, you have to take two medium-sized cup rice, and along with that, you have to take more sabji or more vegetable curry, especially boiled and cooked vegetable curry rather than deep fried vegetable curries. That is preferable. And if you're having non-veg, you can have chicken, egg, all the fish. These are recommendable. Avoid red meat. So these are the things you have to follow. And if you are, you can take alternative food, like you can have millets, you can have jawar also, jawar roti also. You can have ragi made porridge or anything like that also. You can have in the afternoons also. You can have all these things. Alternative food, and you can opt for brown rice also. That is also preferably. You can take. That is also preferred. So next thing is by again after by 4 4:30, that is the tea time. You can have again small snacks, whatever like you can have fruits. If you are taking tea or coffee, preferably you take sugarless, and along with that you can have two biscuits or some small sandwich or anything you can have. By 8 o'clock or 7:30 or like that, you have to complete your dinner. That is most preferable in especially in diabetes patients. So if you complete your dinner by 7:30 after having the medication, you can take dinner. So dinner should be somewhat smaller compared to afternoon lunch. So smaller meal that we call it dinner especially. So in that you can have same thing like upma tiffins. You can have two jawar rotis, or you can have multigrain chapatis like that. Along with more amount of, if you are taking two pulkas or two chapatis or two jawar rotis, try to take more amount of sabji or vegetables, whatever is there. That is preferable. So again, if you are, for example, if you are on insulin, and there is chance that you can have some type of hypoglycemia in the night. If you are, so preferably before bedtime, you can have small cup of milk. So that milk should be less fattier and less creamy milk. That is preferable. So this type of diet, if you follow and if you take regular drugs, then your blood sugars will be under control, and be in a regular visit to the doctor, whoever your nearby doctor, endocrinologist, physician, and try to take all necessary measures. So, thank you.
Lotus Hospitals is one of the leading brands for all your health needs. You can visit our expert doctors at any of the centers Lakri Kapul, Kukatpalli, LB Nagar, and Vizag. For booking an appointment, you can use our app or visit www.lotushospitals.in or call on 040 4040 4444.